In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to add a YouTube end card like this. So stick around. What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to another one. If you're new to the channel, I want to welcome you here for the first time. If you already subscribed, I want to thank you so much for all the support you've been showing already for the channel. Now, end screens or end cards, whatever you prefer to call them, are a great way to keep your viewers more engaged longer with your content by directing them from one video to the next. Now, one of the benefits to end cards is they are fully customizable and only take a few minutes to set up. Once you set up your first one, it's easy to apply that to all your past and your future videos. Now, without waiting any longer, let's jump into my computer. All right, guys, now that we're on my computer, as most of you already know, Canva's my go-to for creating designs. So it's this simple. You're going to go up here to the top right corner. You're going to click on Create a Design. And then from here, type in YouTube Outro. It already gives you the correct dimensions and everything that you need. And from here, you'll already be in design, and it's going to show you the designs already for the outros. So if you just scroll down here, if you don't have a paid account and you see that little crown, when you hover over that, it's going to say Pro, which you're going to need a Pro account. So even for the free account, I mean, there's still plenty. Like this one right here. Let me make myself a little smaller. Okay, so this one right here, I mean, this is something that you see even on like a lot of YouTube outros, and it's that simple. I mean, you could just download this and add your videos to it, and you already have an outro. Let's see what else we got. Here's another one. So this one has a little bit more going on with the animations. So that one's, I like that one a little more. Let's see what else we got. So there's something like this, but it all kind of depends on like the niche that you're in, and you know, more how your videos already look, to have an outro kind of tailored towards your brand. Here's another one, more like an outdoorsy kind of theme, which is cool. Even so here, you know, it's got the subscribe buttons and the videos, so that'd be pretty cool. Which, I mean, everything is fully customizable. So for instance, say your colors are a specific kind of blue, we'll say like 004 AAD, which I know that because I use that for some of my other stuff. There you go. So now we have our exact brand coloring. So you could even change these. Go here. Boom. Now we got our brand colors in there. Okay. All right. So say we only want the one video, and we want to put more emphasis on growing subscribers. What we would do is we can make this bigger. That there. You kind of have to play around with it a little bit and kind of see what you like. But, you know, even something like that, you know, just putting more emphasis on you know, trying to grow subscribers. Let's check out another one. I mean, I think their pre-made templates are great. It just saves you so much time in the end, and it gives you more time to work on other aspects, you know, and over time, you know, just keep improving. But I think their templates are great. Let's see. So even this one, this is pretty cool. Let's see. Where's the one that That one's pretty cool. Like that one. Thanks for subscribing. And you could even add, you know, your video over here So this one's pretty cool because you could add your video and then you got your link over here for people to subscribe to grow your subscribers. Like, where's the one that I used? Here's another one. So there's plenty of options. Even this one, this ain't even a paid one. This is for free with their free plan. Thanks for watching. That was pretty cool because it's got the subscriber and you got 2 videos on there. So it gives them a lot more options to choose from with the two videos. But yeah, it's that simple. So you're gonna pick the one that you like. So we'll go back up here. Let's find one that we like. And I'll show you how to download it from there. Okay, so we found this one. Perfect. Does exactly what we need. We're not Striker 6, so we'll take that off. We'll take this off. We'll delete that. Delete. And just to get something onto your videos in end trailer, I think this is perfect. So let's check it out in the automation. Perfect. So go to download, and then from here, the automated ones are going to be MP4. So we're just going to download. And it takes a couple seconds to download. And there you go. As you can see, now it's downloaded. Perfect. Thanks for watching. Okay. So what I use for my video editing is iMovie. So all you're gonna do, as you can see, I already have mine. Well, not that one. So this one, that was the one that I downloaded. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. And all you're gonna do is, when they're downloaded, so you're just gonna drag and drop. So that's what I did with mine. I run mine I got this going for 6 seconds. And as you can see, I don't have any pictures or anything on here because once we go into the YouTube studio, that's when we're gonna add the actual videos to this slide. Stick around. All right, so now we're on YouTube. What you're gonna do is go up to the top right corner here, click on your icon, go to YouTube Studio. And like I said before, you can even add it to your old videos. So I'll show you that because it's very simple to add it to your new ones. So we'll go to content, and it's going to be the same thing as you're uploading a video. So for instance, we'll go to the how to make a YouTube thumbnail. So we're going to click on the details here, the little pencil. And we're going to scroll down, and it's called the end screen or end card. So we're going to click on that. And this is it. So if you're uploading your video for the first time, let me move myself out of the way. If you're uploading your video for the first time, it's going to be on the second page, I believe. That's going to show the cards, the end cards, and all those. So once you made it here, let's get rid of. All right, so this is the one that here, I'll go back a little bit and show you guys. So this is just from my video. So now what you're going to want to do is find out where you want your actual cards to pop in. So we'll say right about there. So you can import from your latest video two videos, or you could do a video plus a subscribe. These are just their templates. You could have it this one where the subscribe profile pictures on the left, the videos on the right, 2 big videos. Or you can click up here. Let me move my big head out of the way. Click up here, click on element, and we'll add a video. Go. here. So we're going to click on him, drag him over to start. Perfect. So we're going to drag him there. So if we click on this video right here, you can do most recent upload, the best for the viewer, where YouTube kind of picks the video that they think best is for the viewer, or you can choose a specific video, which I prefer. So we'll say, for instance, this one was how to make a YouTube end card. So the viewer watching this video is obviously interested in making YouTube videos. So maybe they would want to know how to add a clickable subscribe button. So we'll add that. And we'll add one more element. And we'll click the video. Here, let me click back into that if you guys didn't see. So you could add a video, your playlist, so to keep them engaged on a whole playlist. Your subscribe, your channel. I'll show you the subscribe real quick. So if we click on that one, subscribe, it's going to add my profile image. And that's how that would look. So they'd be able to watch a video, or they could click on that and give them the option to subscribe. But we're going to add another video. Bring this back a little bit so they line up. And specific video, we'll say thumbnails, how to create a thumbnail. So let's click on it.
That's it for this video. You guys have any questions? Let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
So as we can see, it looks a little off right here. So let's move and make this a little bigger. Now let's check this one more time. But yeah, just play around with it a little bit. And when you're done, I'm just gonna click save up here, which it's not taking this one. Here, I'll show you. It's not letting me save it, only because that was a video I already have that I already clicked on. So here, specific, add a hashtag. Perfect. Just slide this over to line up. And that's it. Click save, and from there it just saves it, and you'll have your end screen. But I'm going to go to discard changes so I don't mess with this video, and I'll show you at the end.
Thumbnails are one of the most thumbnail around with it. Like I said before, reach your full thumbnails or button.
And there we go. So now we'll click on this.
In this video, I'm going to show you guys.
And that's it. That's how you guys add your end screen. But yeah, that's it. That's how you guys add your end screen. Guys have any questions, leave them in the comments down below. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, hit the like button if you got some value, and I'll see you guys in the next one.